Welcome to Dropshipping Hustle. Starting a limited liability company, LLC, in California is a smart move for entrepreneurs looking to establish a business with a solid legal foundation. Whether you're launching a startup or expanding an existing business, the LLC structure offers numerous benefits, including liability protection and tax flexibility. In this article, we'll guide you step by step on how to form an LLC in California, including important legal considerations, costs, and resources that can help streamline the process. Introduction to LLCs in California. An LLC, or limited liability company, is a type of business entity that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the tax advantages and operational flexibility of a partnership. In California, the LLC structure is particularly appealing due to its ability to safeguard personal assets while offering simplified tax reporting requirements. However, starting an LLC in California requires a series of steps, and understanding the state's unique rules and fees is essential to avoid delays and penalties. Before diving into the process, here are a few key reasons why you might want to choose an LLC for your business. Liability protection. An LLC protects personal assets from business debts and liabilities. Tax flexibility. You can elect to be taxed as a sole proprietor, partnership, S corporation, or C corporation. Simple management. LLCs don't require a board of directors, making them easier to manage. Credibility. Forming an LLC adds credibility and can make your business look more professional. Step-by-step guide to starting an LLC in California. Choose your LLC name. The first step in forming your LLC is choosing a name that complies with California's naming rules. Your LLC name must include the words limited liability company or the abbreviation LLC or LLC. Be distinguishable from other registered business entities in California. Not contain restricted words that could confuse the LLC with a government agency or imply illegal activities. It's essential to check the availability of your desired name through the California Secretary of State's online database. Additionally, consider securing a matching domain name and social media handles for branding consistency. Designate an LLC registered agent. Every LLC in California is required to have a registered agent, someone who will receive legal documents on behalf of the business. This agent can either be a person or a professional service. The registered agent must have a physical address in California and be available during business hours. While you can act as your own registered agent, many business owners opt to use a service to maintain privacy and ensure the business's legal documents are handled professionally. Using a service like Northwest Registered Agent costs $39 annually, providing you with reliable and confidential handling of all official notices. Check the link in the video description to sign up with Northwest Registered Agent today. File Articles of Organization. The next step is to file the Articles of Organization, Form LLC-1, with the California Secretary of State. This document officially establishes your LLC and includes important details such as LLC name, registered agent, LLC address, member or manager information. You can file your Articles of Organization online, by mail, or in person. The filing fee is $70, and processing time can vary from a few days to a few weeks, depending on the filing method. Create an operating agreement. Although California does not legally require LLCs to have an operating agreement, it's highly recommended to draft one. An operating agreement outlines the ownership structure, management, and operational guidelines for your LLC. This document helps avoid potential disputes among members and ensures smooth business operations. Key components of an operating agreement include the LLC's purpose and duration, ownership percentages and profit distribution, voting rights and responsibilities, management structure, whether member managed or manager managed. Having a well-crafted operating agreement can also help in legal disputes or if your LLC is audited. Obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN. An Employer Identification Number, EIN, is required for most LLCs, particularly if you have employees or intend to open a business bank account. You can obtain an EIN for free through the IRS website. The application process is straightforward and can be completed in minutes. While sole proprietors or single-member LLCs may not be required to get an EIN, having one is still recommended for tax purposes and to keep your business operations separate from your personal finances. Register for California state taxes. Depending on the nature of your LLC, you may need to register for various state taxes, including sales tax, employment tax, or excise tax. California's tax authority, the Franchise Tax Board, FTB, requires all LLCs to file annual tax returns. One critical tax obligation for California LLCs is the California LLC annual franchise tax, which is a minimum of $800 per year. This tax is due even if your LLC does not generate any income in its first year. Additionally, LLCs that generate gross income exceeding a certain threshold will be subject to an additional fee. To ensure you meet all tax obligations, it's advisable to consult with a tax professional or accountant. File Statement of Information. Within 90 days of filing your Articles of Organization, you must file an initial Statement of Information, Form LLC 12, with the California Secretary of State. This document provides updated details about your LLC, such as the names and addresses of its members or managers. The filing fee for the Statement of Information is $20. After the initial filing, LLCs are required to submit a Statement of Information every 2 years. Maintain your LLC's compliance. Once your LLC is established, there are a few ongoing obligations you must meet to keep your business in good standing with the state. File biennial Statement of Information. Every 2 years, you must file an updated Statement of Information. Pay the annual franchise tax. As mentioned, all LLCs must pay the $800 minimum annual tax to the California Franchise Tax Board. Comply with employment laws. If you hire employees, you'll need to comply with California's employment laws, including payroll taxes, workers' compensation, and unemployment insurance. Starting an LLC in California, a rewarding process for entrepreneurs. Starting an LLC in California is a rewarding process that can help you protect your personal assets, improve your business credibility, and unlock various tax benefits. While there are some costs and legal requirements to navigate, following the steps outlined in this guide will help ensure that your LLC is set up for success. If you want to get started with forming your LLC quickly and easily, consider using services like Northwest Registered Agent for only $39, a fantastic option for entrepreneurs who want to save time and stay compliant with California's laws. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more business tips and tutorials. If you have any questions about forming your LLC in California or any other related topic, feel free to leave a comment below. Good luck with your LLC formation, and I'll see you in the next video.